to learn about the rest parameter. So basically rest parameter are nothing but it collects all the remaining arguments when we pass the uh, inside the function parameter. So suppose we have something like function uh, get total. So here suppose we have to pass certain parameters b and number of the arguments as a, suppose it has more than one arguments. So what we can do, suppose here if we are trying to pass total and 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and 5, here if you can see, right, a and b are the for 1 and the 2 parameters, first and 2, and 3 4 5 are the rest of the parameter. So basically we have to note that rest parameter should always come at the last. If we try to write this rest parameter at the start, we will be getting some error. The error is nothing but the, it's would be like rest parameter cannot be specified at the start. So you can see, right, the rest parameter must be always be the last parameter in the list. So due to that reason we always write the rest parameter at the last. So rest parameters can be written three dots followed by the any of the name you can give. Some people used to give args, we can give the, here we are trying to give rest, you can give any of the parameter. So let's see how does the rest parameter value prints. So what we will do, we'll first print the a and b value, and which is nothing but the first and 2, 1 and 2. And now if we try to print the rest parameter value, here rest parameter is denoted as a rest, and we can console the same value. And when we will console the value, what output we will get, we'll see. So you can see, right, a and b are 1 and 2, and rest parameter is in form of a array which collects all the data 3 4 and 5. So here that suggests like rest parameter contains all the value apart from the, if we don't specify the number of the extra parameter which has been passed over the method. So it is one of the concept asked in most of the interview question as a fresher or as an experienced guy, like what are the rest parameters. So you can definitely tell like rest parameters are the parameter which contains all the parameter except the number of the arguments specified. So here we have passed only two arguments, and rest contains all the other argument which has been passed over the methods. So this is how the rest parameters is being denoted. You can give any name followed by the three dots. So suppose if you have to perform any of the operation, you can iterate this rest parameter, like suppose we need to add the value, right? So if we have to add the value, what we can do, let total equal, will add the whole value and gives val. So what does this means? Total would be, you can give, if it is giving error, total plus value. So that was the shorthand notation I was trying to write. Probably we can write this total outside and declare this method. So here we can give shorthand notation, and which is nothing but the total plus equal to, which is nothing what we have written earlier, total equal to total plus val. So when you will try to console this total, right, so you will see the sum of the all the array values which we have got. Now if I try to run this code, right, you would be seeing the sum of the all the rest parameters since it contains the array. Okay, one second. Not a number. So val of rest, rest is nothing but the value What is the wrong we are doing here? Let total equal to total plus val. I think it is printing as a total, as not a number. So what we can do, total plus val, or we can parse this value, parse int total. I think there is some problem with respect to the value. We will try to console this value and see what does it prints. Okay, I think it is not initialized to 0. Due to that reason only it is trying to give as a undefined. So now if I print this value, right, it will give me the sum of this value. So I think this was the issue. We have to initialize the value with 0, then it will print that result. So you can see, right, our main focus is to print the to validate what does rest parameter contains. So you can see, right, rest of the parameter, whatever you will pass to the method, it will print. So hope you all should have got this concept, rest parameter. So let's meet to the next video. For now, thank you.